how to show discount bar on Shopify product page in the Shopify Dawn theme. So as you can see here, I have a 16% off bar to show the uh, visitors of my website on how much they saved in their purchase should they purchase my product over here. And it's pretty simple to do. The way that I want to show you will automatically set the percentages of the actual product price with the markdown price, so you don't have to change it automatically and etc. So it will change it automatically. It will change it. So as you can see here, after I refreshed, I've actually just recently updated the price of my small example t-shirt price, and it changes automatically to the correct percentage. Okay, so to do that, it will involve some coding, but don't worry, it's pretty simple coding. You just need to copy and paste from the website that will be provided in the description. Okay, so I want to show you one more thing. So it will actually show also in your featured products section in your homepage if you're using the Shopify Dawn theme. Okay, so to do that, go ahead and go to your online store under sales channels menu. And in your Dawn theme, you will want to pick your burger bar here. Click it and click edit code. Okay, so there's 3 files that we need to edit. So the first one is the price.liquid file. And we want to replace the line of code here, which is line 121, with the code provided on the website. So I'll just click copy code from the website and onto my 121st line here on my price.liquid. Okay, so to find that price.liquid file, just enter price.liquid in the search bar of when you're in the editor and click price.liquid. Okay, so let's go to line 121. Now, as you can see, I've done it already, but if you haven't, you should see this code instead. And what you want to do is just block them all and click Control V. All right. So now you see a percentage off here, right? Well, that appears because if you don't show any markdown on your product, it will actually turn off. So you don't have to worry if you're not having any discount, it will not show up. So it's very convenient. Once again, you don't have to manually edit the code every time you add a product or you change the prices of your products. All right, so once you're done with our first file here, click save on the top right. All right, so the next liquid code that we want to edit is this line of code under card dash product dot liquid. So let's find the card dash product dot liquid file by again searching in the search bar card dot product dash product dot liquid. All right, so let's click the cart dash product dot liquid file. Now in the cart dash product dot liquid, let's go back to the website and see which line is it. Okay, so it's line 136. So scroll down to line 136 and replace the line of code that you found on that line with the code provided from the website. Now, as you can see, I've done it already too, but if you haven't already, you should see your code like this on the screenshot here. Now, what you want to do is again block the line of code, this line of code, and hit Control V on your keyboard. Okay, in my case, I've already done that, so let's move to the CSS file. So the CSS file is the mate of the your HTML file where it is used to edit how every line of code of the HTML, the liquid file, is shown. So the base.css file is actually the file that you want to play with if you want to change the appearance of your website. All right. So the third and last file, line of code that you want to copy is this code. So let's click copy code. And in the base.css file, just hover and go over to the bottom of the code and just paste your code like so. And then again, click save. Now, once you've done all of that, click preview store to preview your store. And sure enough, it has already been implemented in my Shopify Dawn theme. All right. So another thing to show this is, of course, using apps. But honestly, I prefer this method because, well, it is free and it is pretty convenient. So you don't need to have the hassle of installing an app and setting it up, let alone paying extra for this pretty simple job. Now, I want to demonstrate on how it can change automatically. So let's prove that it will change the percentage over here. So let's go over to my products page, and in my products management, I want to change the price to, okay, let's change the small one. So let's say, for example, I want to change the markdown price to not 30 but 50. Now, if we change that and we click save, well, this will take some time to implement, of course, but if we change it, the percentage should change also. So let's, if you wait for a few times, this does happen. It needs to be refreshed a few times, but when it's done, it should show. All right, so as you can see here, previously it was 30 IDR, which is my local currency, as the compared to price. Now it's 50. Now the code will automatically convert the difference between the compared to price and my current price for the product and change it to the to percentage. Pretty smart and pretty convenient. Okay, so that is all from me. Thank you very much.